In front of me is Motorola Razr 70 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use one-handed mode. First of all, go into settings and scroll to click on this section called gestures. Then select one-handed mode. And if this option here is not available, that means that you are using trickies navigation. To still use one-handed mode, scroll all the way down and use this switcher next to one-handed mode shortcut. Then hit OK and use this shortcut to get into and exit one-handed mode whenever you wish. You can also swipe up to go back to standard size screen. Quick tip, tap on one-handed mode on the left and pick one of those options if you don't want to use the shortcut, like quick settings or volume keys. Let's try volume keys for example. It works! If you want to disable one-handed mode fully, use the same now blue switcher. If for some reason one-handed mode is still not working, make sure that over here you have full screen into reach on, not show notifications. I will change my navigation quick now to show you how it works when you're using gestures. This time, you need to use this switcher next to use one-handed mode until it's blue and follow those instructions. Pull down the top half of your screen, like on this picture. So when I do that, one-handed mode is working. You can swipe up to exit or click on this section here at the top. To disable it, use blue switcher until it's grey. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!